Hello guys, welcome back. I have a Sony Xperia XA1, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset operation on this device using the home screen. At the very beginning, open the phone dialer using the phone icon right here to activate the keypad. Let's use the following secret code, *#**7378423*#***. As you can see, the service mode just pops up. Here you can choose the last option, which is customization settings. If you'd like to accomplish the hard reset operation, here is all personal data and customized settings. Let's choose Reset Customization to begin the process. Choose Reset Customization and Reboot. Now the device is performing the hard reset operation, deleting all personal data, customized settings, and downloaded apps. The device will also restart, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation is completed. It should take a while, so don't interrupt while the process is running. Excellent. As you can see, the welcome screen pops up, meaning the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start activating the device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.